The purpose of this video is to talk about passing data from main to a function by value. Basically, when you pass by value, an argument is passed to a function. A copy of the value is placed in the parameter within the function. Simply a copy. The function itself cannot access the original argument in main. Changes to the parameter in the function do not affect the argument in the calling function. Okay, here's a simple example from our PowerPoint notes. If val is 5 and we have a call in main that says even or odd val, we're passing val to a function. Okay, let's suppose we're passing it to the function, and the function has a parameter called num. Whatever we do to num in the function has no impact at all on val in main. Let's take a closer look at this. The last time we spoke, we talked about this particular program, and it has a function called showSum. And when showSum passed value 1, value 2, and value 3, okay, when we made this call, we passed the data held in value 1, value 2, and value 3 down here to the function showSum. If I were to make any changes down here to num1, num2, or num3, if I were to make changes, these changes would have no impact at all on value 1, value 2, and value 3 back here in main. Let's look at a better example. Here's a program in main. I have a variable called number, and number is assigned 12, and I say cout number is 12. Then I have a function called changeMe number. Number here is the argument, and I'm passing the argument number down here to my value, so my value becomes 12. And this is called passing by value. Now down here, the first thing I do with my value is I change my value from 12 to 0. And then in the function I say cout, now the value is 0. When I go back to main, I always go back to the line after the function call, which is here. It says now back in main again, the value of number is, and it's still going to be 12. The point is that when I changed my value down here from 12 to 0, I had no impact at all on number up here. This is called passing by value. And again, when you pass by value, it's a one-way pass, which means the data goes from main down here to the function, but nothing that happens in the function can influence the original argument number back here in main. Passing by value.